Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share WhatsApp status to Instagram story. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You can share your WhatsApp status updates to Instagram story or Facebook and the other apps. To enable sharing your WhatsApp status to other apps, you'll need to do this. You can open WhatsApp. Now you can go to updates or stories. I've made status on my WhatsApp here. And I want to share this into my Instagram story. You can tap on the upper right corner here, the three dots here. Sorry. You can tap on here, on the three dots here. Don't open, because if you open the story first, you only can share it to Facebook. So you can just tap on here like this. Tap on share. Now you can choose Instagram stories. There's an option like chats, feeds, reels, and stories. If you want to share this to your Instagram stories, you can tap on stories. And it will appear like this on your Instagram. You can add caption, add music, or if you want to use filter, you can choose the filter. I want to add music. This, and you can share it into your Instagram stories. Tap on your story. So here you go. Here's your status. Your WhatsApp status shared to your Instagram stories. So simple, right? So that is how to share WhatsApp status to Instagram stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.